Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial today, and today I'll be showing you how to deactivate your Snapchat account on your Android phone. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to deactivate your Snapchat account on your Android phone, let's open up our Snapchat app first. And after opening your Snapchat app, the interface will be something like first this when you open it, and on the top left corner of your screen there is a profile picture icon. Tap on your profile picture icon like this, and when you get over here there is the settings icon available on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the settings icon or the gear icon, and after that on this interface you'll be required to scroll down until you see the I need help by support itself, and you can see there it is, the I need help option available on the support category itself. Tap on I need help, and after that you can see this is the I need help or the Snapchat support section, where you can see the managing my account option available over here. Tap on managing my account, and over here there is the sign up to the delete or reactivate my account. On the bottom, tap on delete or reactivate my account, and you need to know one thing, that is there is no option for deactivation of the Snapchat account. If you delete your account will be deactivated for 30 days, and after that your account will be permanently deleted. So it's the same thing. So let's tap on how do I delete my Snapchat account, and over here it says the deletion process of it shows the deletion process of the Snapchat account from over here. And to deactivate your account, you can see after taking the steps to delete your account, it must be deactivated first for 30 days. So if you don't recover your account for 30 days, then your account will be permanently deleted. And now to deactivate your account, you can see the account portal option available over here highlighted in blue. When I'm clicking now, and you can see, tap over there, and on this page you'll be required to enter your password over here, and after that click on continue, and after that tap on continue. Then your account will be deactivated for 30 days, and after that your account will be deleted. It also says it over here. And then guys, this is how you deactivate your Snapchat account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.